there, awesome Robot Articles followers! Ready to kickstart your Amazon affiliate journey? Let's dive right in! This video is going to be quick and easy. Step 1. Head over to www.affiliate-program.amazon.com. See that registration link below the video? Click it! Step 2. Hit Create Your Amazon account on the next page. Just pop in your email, name, and password. Tap that big yellow button saying Create Your Amazon account. Check your email for the registration link to activate your account. Step 3. Fill in your payee name and address details carefully. Step 4. Add your website name. This is the blog where you'll showcase those awesome Amazon products. Step 5. Time to create a store ID. Pick a name that vibes with your website's niche. Step 6. Describe your website and select its type. Don't forget to tackle any CAPTCHA if it pops up. Step 7. Click on Tools, then one link, and get started. This cool feature earns you extra commission when sales happen in other Amazon shops. Select all countries, agree to terms, and hit Next until you get that success message. Based on your keyword research from Robot Articles video tutorial number 5, you're all set to promote a full list of products. You're now ready to rock your Amazon affiliate game. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video on robotarticles.com.